Hello everyone, my name is Nadia, she, her. I am an intern with the NC Cooperative Extension Lee County Center, and today I'm going to talk about grocery shopping on a budget. In this session, we are focusing on how you can make those fruits and vegetable purchases last. I have 3 tips you can use to buy or store your new produce to get the most out of your money. At the end of this video, you will join me in the kitchen where I will show you a recipe you can use to combine a mixture of fresh, frozen, and canned fruits and vegetables to create a tasty salsa. Our first tip is buying a variety. Getting a variety of canned, fresh, and frozen goods can help you to spread those nutrient-dense foods throughout the week. Balancing less expensive items with a few more expensive items can help you to stay on budget. Plan smart and start by incorporating those time-sensitive fruits and vegetables like berries and salad greens at the beginning of the week so they don't spoil. If you get home and decide you don't really feel like you're in a salad mood, some salad greens like spinach can be cooked into a tasty side dish instead. Canned goods and frozen goods last a long time. Use those alone or in combination with fresh foods to enjoy your fruits and vegetables all week long. This will help you to save money on throwing away foods that have spoiled. Tip number 2, see if you can save it. Freezing is one way to extend the life of your fruits and vegetables. Fruits like bananas can be frozen outside of the peel and used for smoothies or baked goods like muffins. Vegetables like okra, corn, or peas can also be frozen in a few easy steps. Check out the handout attached for more information on freezing fruits and vegetables. There are other ways to preserve fruits and vegetables. Lemon juice can be used on cut apples or avocados to prevent them from browning, so you can cut them the day before you want to eat them. Extending the life of your fruits and vegetables by freezing or preserving them can help you to keep them from going in the garbage bin. My final tip is buy what you'll eat. If you like broccoli, green beans, and corn, but not asparagus, it's okay to stick with a few key staples you enjoy. Use seasonings and sauces to spice up your favorite items and give yourself a new way to enjoy them. Now that we've covered our 3 tips, let's head to the kitchen so I can show you how to put them into practice with our recipe. Now that we're in the kitchen, let's get started. Today I have a variety of fresh, frozen, and canned fruits and vegetables using tip number 1, grabbing a variety. This recipe is a black bean salsa, and we use a can of black beans, some frozen corn, and fresh tomatoes and onion to create a tasty dish. This recipe for black bean salsa can be found on the website medinsteadofmeds.com or in the handout attached. You can use this side dish as a topping for salads or a meal like tacos, as well as a dip. I am making a smaller portion today as an afternoon snack. Other ingredients you will need are apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. To start, you will cook the frozen corn according to the package directions and allow it to cool. I like to do this step the night before so I can get right to mixing everything together. Here is the corn in our bowl. Next, you can add your black beans that you rinsed beforehand. We are using fresh tomatoes and onions that you will need to chop ahead of time. I have some ready to go, so I'll add those into the bowl as well. If you have some leftover jalapenos or bell peppers, you can toss those in as well. Finally, we will take our apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and the seasonings and add those to this mixture. Step number 3 is to buy what you'll eat. I'm not a fan of apple cider vinegar, so I'm using white vinegar instead. Mix well and enjoy. If you want to save it for later, think about our step number 2. How do we preserve it? This dish can be stored as is in this container directly into the fridge. Use this for a tasty dinner or a snack tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed our video today. Comment below and let us know some of your favorite tips and tricks for grocery shopping and what you would like to learn more about next time.